Inflammation is destroying your health, and these 10 common foods are the biggest culprits. Let's reveal what to avoid starting today. Have you ever felt a persistent ache in your joints that just won't go away? Or maybe you struggle with a constant sense of fatigue, brain fog, or digestive issues that disrupt your daily life. These seemingly unrelated symptoms might have a common hidden culprit: chronic inflammation. This silent saboteur works quietly within your body, contributing to a wide range of health problems. While inflammation is often associated with the redness and swelling of an injury, there is a much more insidious form that can linger for years. This low-grade systemic inflammation is not a friend to your body. It is a state of constant alert where your immune system is perpetually activated. Over time, this sustained internal battle can wear down your body's